I'm Jared Deenda. We're talking about genuine Harley-Davidson parts and accessories. Right now, we're talking about the flush mount fuel cap kit. You can see the striking good looks of the Lowrider ST, so let's accentuate the beautiful tank that we got here. You got gloss, you got matte, and in just seconds, you can customize the look of your motorcycle. Take off that OE gas cap, and here it is, the flush mount fuel cap. You're gonna screw that thing on, and just with a quarter turn, you can either lock it down or you can pop it up. And to finish the look, you can see it's got nice adhesive on this trim ring, and that goes up top. There's a little notch in that ring, and it's just gonna sit nice and flush. So when you're ready to install it, take off that adhesive, put it on there, and there you go. Customizing your bike, easy to install, great look. This and all other genuine Harley-Davidson parts available at your local authorized Harley-Davidson dealer, or go to h-d.com.